how to remove filters from Snapchat pictures or photos. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into the Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now you need to click on this memory icon or the gallery icon. Once you're inside the memories, you need to move into camera roll or move into any of the picture that you want to remove the filter of. So let me choose one of the picture from my camera roll. Once you have selected the picture, click on this three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then click on Edit Photo. Once you're in the editing section, at the bottom you can see tons of different filters. If you have entered any of the filters, then it will be shown to you. And in order for you to remove it, simply move into the last filter or the no filter option. There you go, the filter will be removed if you click on this icon. And if you would like to save this, click on Send To icon at the bottom right corner. Swipe all the left and then click on Download. And there you go, the photo has been saved into your gallery. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.